Hello everyone. Let's talk about accessing private methods in C# from other classes. Uh, Normally we cannot do this, but with reflection, uh, it's a way of doing this. So for example, we have this class bank data, and let's initialize a new variable. Bank data. And let's call bank right. We put a string as a parameter, and as you can see, is not accessible due to its protection level. Now, by normal way we cannot do this, but let's use reflection in this case with method info and invoke. For this, we are using system.reflection. Now, we get a variable type of method info. Let's call it private method equals type of bank data is the class, and now we need to get a method from that class. Get method. We need to specify the name of the method first as the first parameter, which is bank right. We need to specify the bind flags, and since it's not statically, we will use as an instance. And this binding frame, sorry. Not non-public, which is public ones. Now, as next, we invoke the method by private method.invoke. We need the instance, we specify the flag, which is account. Then we add a new object as a parameter. Object. And we give it a string. Let's call it hello from other class. Now let's see what will happen if we run it. As we can see, we could add the parameter to the private class, to the private method in the other class by using reflection. Now, the good part of this is very useful for testing in special cases where you cannot access and cannot modify the method itself. But as a con, it's pretty fragile as a security part, and it's if you do it in large scale using, it's very slow and so on and other stuff. So thank you everyone, hope you understood the method, and see you next time. Peace.